Hey food warriors, are you grappling with a DoorDash tablet that seems to have a mind of its own? Rest easy, because today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to fix DoorDash tablet not working. This essential tool for your food business deserves the utmost attention, and I'll guide you through the solution step by step to help you get back to receiving those orders smoothly and efficiently. Step 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. One of the most common culprits causing DoorDash tablet malfunctions is a faulty Wi-Fi connection. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi router is operational. Reboot the router by turning it off, waiting for a few moments, and then turning it back on. On your DoorDash tablet, navigate to Settings and ensure Wi-Fi is enabled. Select your network, enter the password if prompted, and watch out for any error messages. A stable connection is key to ensuring seamless tablet functionality. Step 2. Restart your tablet. A simple restart can often work wonders in resolving technical issues. To restart the DoorDash tablet, press and hold the power button until you see a power menu pop up. Tap Restart or Reboot if that option is available. If your tablet is unresponsive, perform a forced restart by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds until the device powers down and restarts. This process clears temporary glitches and can breathe new life into an ailing system. Step 3. Update the DoorDash app. Outdated apps can sometimes lead to performance issues. Ensure that your DoorDash app is up to date by heading to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, depending on your device. Search for the DoorDash app and check for any available updates. If an update is available, hit the Update button. Regularly updating the app not only provides new features but also fixes bugs that could be hindering your tablet's performance. Step 4. Free up tablet storage. If your DoorDash tablet is sluggish or responsive, it might be running low on storage space. Go to your tablet's settings and check the storage section to see how much space is left. Delete unnecessary files or unused apps to create more space. Clearing the cache of frequently used apps can also free up memory. By maintaining adequate storage, you ensure your tablet runs optimally, reducing any chances of malfunction during busy order time. Step 5. Reach out to DoorDash support. If your efforts to fix the tablet bear no fruit, it might be time to seek help from the pros. DoorDash customer support can provide specialized assistance for equipment issues. Visit the DoorDash Help Center online or use the support option within the DoorDash app to report your issue. Make sure you describe the problem in detail and include any error messages you've encountered. They can offer tailored solutions or replace faulty equipment if necessary. The DoorDash tablet is integral to the smooth operation of food deliveries. If you find yourself wrestling with it, don't despair. By addressing connectivity issues, updating software, freeing up storage, and reaching out for professional support, you can resolve how to fix DoorDash tablet not working. Adapt these solutions to bring your device back to operational readiness. Your customers and your business will thank you. Prioritize regular maintenance and keep this guide handy for quick troubleshooting. Until next time, happy dashing.